We love to call idiot here. On Moon Man in the morning. And we have absolutely branded some idiots. A man was charged yesterday. If you haven't seen the vision, go online and see it. He was charged after allegedly crashing a van carrying more than $200 million worth of ice, the drug ice. He smashed it into a parked police car outside the Eastwood Police Station. Now, you see it coming along the road. It says here it is alleged 26-year-old Simon 2 hit the patrol car as it was parked outside Eastwood Police Station in Sydney's northwest. It's not alleged. He smashed his van full of ice into a cop car.
Got the Moon Man in the morning.
Sydney's 104.9 Triple M.